Hi, today I'm for me ZT Blade 871 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So now let's open Gmail application and then tap here on the right upper corner. Then click to our account, click to manage accounts and tap to our Google account. Then click to remove it. Confirm your action by click to remove account, and now in Google account settings we have no any logged in accounts, so let's go back to the application, and also in Gmail app we can see that we successfully log out from Gmail account. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.